Description: the marriage handbag, the shape and silhouette, shape or silhouette, bag is curve shape and smooth edges, curve shape and smooth edges. It will match like occasion and dress costume, so it should not like poke the dress, like no, and it match with occasion. And dress color, dress or costume color. And color of the bag, colors: violet, sea blue, pink. It is like party mode. And royal colors. Utility of the bag: utilities: medium size of the bag size is medium size bag with shoulder strings for easy handle and usage. Medium size bag, shoulder strings for easy handling and usage. So these are the 4 to 5 sentence description about design of the handbag. So in this way you have to do design according to the occasion. You choose in the topic and you have to write the description 4 to 5 sentence.